Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to see how we can add the marquee element tag on our website. So here maybe we want to have a marquee address. This one is just the where we have our wordings moving like the way they are moving here. So we are going to add a new tab here to show our client before they contact us, they read the news that we have here. So with me here, I'm going to my code here, and then maybe before the header here, I can add the marquee address here before the header here. So also I can put it maybe here after this, and here this is where I'm going to have it. I can have this one maybe with the division and put the div that way, and then I can give the class. You can say this class is equals to maybe marquee or maybe such thing. And then here remember to terminate this class, this division that way. You can edit it, terminate it that way. That is my first class that I'll have there. And then maybe here still I can have another division, and have another div here, and this I can give the class of the container equals to container. The advantage of using the classes in our website is because we can be able to style them very easily. And then remember this also, I can be able to terminate it here. So what else I need here? I can also have another class here, and then this one I need to give it maybe I can have another class here, and also I can have it in another division. And then this class I can give the class of I can call that class maybe I can give, because this one I've already started it, I can give maybe wind. To take the wind of 100, because we have already started that. And then I can also terminate it here. That way. I can terminate it that way, and then I can have my first tag here, which this one I need to be bold. I can give a formatting style of bold, and then this bold I can give a class also. This class maybe can be I can give any class, maybe I can call it bold. And then what am I boarding here? I'm boarding here, I'm boarding news, and then I can have the news there. You can have the news there, and then I can terminate this my bold. That way. Then here now I can have the marquee. This is the tab that will put the dynamics to our wordings, or will make them move. And then here I can have it being marquee. And then I can give the class. I can give the class there, and my class there is equals to maybe add new. You can just put it in issues. You can have it add new. And then here I can say this is online training. Maybe this is an online training offering technical skills, and computers. Then remember, I can be able to terminate this marquee. That way. Then let us save our work and go to our website here and refresh. And here you can see we have the news, and here we have this moving. This is an online training offering technical skills, moving that way. So what we need now, we can be able to do a bit of styling to it, so that at least maybe we can have it. So you can see we have it there. So I want us we give some CSS to it also, so that you can see how it refresh. So the first one that you are going to start is this MQ. Then copy that, and then go up to my CSS here. Then maybe paste that there, and then I can be able to style it a bit that way. And maybe here we can give the background to it, although it is not advisable to give a lot of coloring to your website. We can, for the learning purpose, we can just do it. So I can give here the background color. maybe here I can give this to be the ash. I don't know which color is this, but maybe 2184, maybe other, maybe we can give them a F, and then maybe I can give the padding, and there's also padding. I can give it to be maybe something to do with 7 pixels, and maybe 0. So remember, all these are in pixels, and also this one is in pixels. And then I can give the border. I can give the border to this, and maybe my border here, and say bottom. This bottom, and then this bottom I can give it to be maybe 1 pixel, or maybe for the clarity let it be 2. And then here I can give it to be solid. And then we can give a different color. We can give a different color of maybe 3, 2, maybe 3, 2, maybe 5, and then I don't know which color is that, but you're going to reload it and see. So in this we can save this our work that way, and then we can try to refresh it here. You see, good. And there we have our color, which is blue, that way. So you can see how it moves. Now we have the news there at the top. So the next thing that we need to style, maybe we can style our second what? We can style our second, which is this class that we have here, which is the head news. The head news here, we can copy it, then we can go below where we have the CSS here, where we have this CSS here, and then we can we start with a full stop, and then we can paste it there, and then here we can give it like that. We can give the styling to this also. We can give the styling to this, and the styling to this that we need, we can give our background. We can give our background here, our background color, and this background color we can give it to maybe ash. Maybe we can give it white because we have the background be blue. And then we can also give the color. We can give the color there, and this color we can give by the name, which is red, that way. And then the next one we can have maybe a padding of and this padding we can give it to be maybe 8 pixels, And then the next thing that we need to have there is the font size. We need a font size. We need a font size here. Font size, and this font size we can give it, the font size we can give it maybe 25, and remember it is in pixels also. Then we can try to refresh this a bit here. So you can see we have good. You can see now that we have affected our marquee address here, the one that is moving. So you can see now it is a bit visible for the news and the others. So what we need to have now at the last page, I wonder as we fine tune on our movement, which is the marquee. Here there is a class that we created here, which is so that was the marquee address that we created, that we have styled, and also we can style this border bit. These border bit. You can copy it. And then copy it. And remember also, in this B news we can give it a width. We can also give it a width. We can give it a width. Maybe of 90% that way. So then if you try to refresh, then try to refresh it like that. So you can see the wind brings this one down. So you can see how now it looks with that way. That's how it looks with that. And then maybe the class of the board, we can be able to fine tune it a bit here. You can be able to fine tune it a bit here. Then you can paste it there, and then you want to give some styling to it also. So we can give the background to be white. You'll realize most of the things that I need for this class are also here. So let me take this. Can copy this. Maybe it reduced this. So this is what I needed for this, so that at least this can be look neat also for that. You can see the font size is also in red, so that you can be a bit neat. So that is how we can give the marquee address something to do with that, and that's how you can see now our website have the marquee address. So that is how we can add the marquee address to our our website. If you have found this video of importance to you, please consider subscribing, like and share it. And thus bring us to the end of this session. I was your trainer, Maurice Monene. Thank you.